Okay, magandang araw po sa inyo, and we're here for our tutorial video. Okay, and the topic is how to encode yourself in the system of WELLife Philippines. The assumption is nakapagbayad na po tayo 3,000 pesos sa office or sa stockist. Ibinigay na po sa atin yung ating activation code / security code. Kailangan po natin yan in the registration process online. Okay, make sure you have it. Katulad po ng ginawa ko, nasa notepad na po ito dahil ika-copy paste po natin. Isa pong information na kailangan nyo is the sponsor's username. Sino po ba yung nag-sponsor sa inyo? Sino yung nag-refer sa inyo? Sino yung nag-introduce sa inyo dito sa napakagandang business na to, WELLife? Yun po yun. Hingin mo yung kanyang sponsor's username. Ang ikatlong information na kailangan mo is your upline's username. Okay, so in this case, si Melia, siya po ang upline. Ang ikaapat na kailangan mo ay yung position. Okay, makikita nyo po yan mamaya sa form. Ano ba yung position mo doon sa structure, okay, ng iyong sponsor o ng organization ng sponsor mo. Okay, left or right? Alright, now let's go to the website, wellifephilippines.com. Ito po yung website nila. And makikita nyo po yung option. Pumunta na po tayo sa Register Now. Ayan. So, from here, makikita po natin na may registration form. So, we just have to fill it up. Okay. Of course, you need to have your own email address, which we believe na dapat meron ka na. Kung wala pa, you have to create one dahil kailangan po rito. Then, yung address mo, ang iyong telepono, ang iyong birthday, then username mo. Ano ba yung gusto mong gamitin na username? So, for this account, kay Lisa Javier, Wise na Mrs. ang kanyang username. And lumabas po doon, check, it means available pa. Pagka po yan X, ibig sabihin used na. So, you have to think of something different. And of course, your password. Then, payment option. Kita nyo naman po, isa lang ang pipiliin. Activation code. So, ito na po yung sinabi ko kanina na kailangan yung kunin. So, you just have to copy-paste. So, copy nyo. Iniwasan po natin na isulat kasi baka magkamali. So, pinakamabilis is i-copy mo na lang. Then, i-paste mo doon. So, copy. Paste. Makita nyo, nag-check siya. Code type, business kit, 3,000 pesos. Then, you have to get the sponsor's username. Ito po yung sinabi ko kanina. So, in this example, si Gian. Then, the upline username, si Melia. And kung makikita nyo, nire-reflect din niya yung pangalan, ano? Ayan po. So, upline is si Emilia Sambuangnon. Then, left daw. Alright, then you just have to put a check mark there. Okay, review. Siguraduhin tama yung mga spelling. Tama yung information. Okay, tama lahat. Then, register now. Thank you, Lisa Javier, and congratulations. Welcome to WELLife, etc. Babasahin lang po natin. Click here to log in to your virtual office, register more account, and that's it. That's how to encode yourself in the system. Congratulations at magkita po tayo sa susunod na video. God bless you.